Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, or evening, or wherever you're watching this. I'm Adi. Welcome to Midlife Crisis. On the channel today, we're going to be unboxing our new Hero 10 GoPro and our purple Panda microphone. And so join me after the intro and let's have a look at them. Okay, everybody, so start off. GoPro Hero 10. We got the Plus package, so we're going to open it up and find out what's in it. Okay. So I have the Hero 7, and when the Hero 7 came, it came in. I can't find it now. It just came in a plastic case. This one comes in a nice little case for you to carry it around, which is very good. Nice little zip top. So what do we got? Okay, well obviously we have the GoPro Hero 10. By the way, if you're buying a GoPro, whether it be from whatever market it is, if you look on YouTube, there's loads of beginner's guides on what to do with them and everything. I did it with my Hero 7. I've also done it with this one when I was expecting it to arrive. So, yeah, so you get the camera. What else do we get? We get this, looks like it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic and it's, oh God, that's whatever, that's a clip. Don't know why I'd use that, but I'm sure it'd be very, very useful. So that's that. And in here, our usual cable. Back in there, what else we got? We have a mount, GoPro mount. We have two thumb screws. We have a sticky mount, which is obviously, as you can see, peel back off. I don't know whether I want to trust this on my helmet. If you've got a GoPro and you've used these on your helmet, can you tell me if they actually do stick solid? Because the last thing I want to be doing is going and picking my GoPro up off the floor. I had one with the Hero 7 and I didn't dare do it. And then there's the other mount. The mount obviously fits into like so. I think you have to lift that up first. Yeah, you do. Goes in there nice and solid. So please comment if you've used this and you've had no problems with it and you can guarantee it. I mean, GoPro say it's for putting on a helmet, but oh, what else we got? It looks like I'm just fiddling around. Okay. Oh, and there's a nice mount. Not a mount. And it's all got screws and everything, lovely. So it's extendable. Nice little tripod there. That's the word I was looking for, tripod. And in the bottom, oh no, that's already done that. So that's everything in the case, and obviously then some paperwork that's in this bit, and nice little GoPro sticker, and obviously your manual. So they're all in the top. So yeah, all in all, I'm quite impressed. Like I say, this was the Plus package. I don't know what you get. Oh, there's two batteries, but I've put those on charge. So yeah, so you also get two batteries as well. In fact, if you give me a minute, I'll show you that. Okay, so I bought this separately. This is a charger just off eBay, and it's for the GoPro 10. I've also got one for the 7, and then your batteries, obviously, says easily, but perhaps not. Yeah, they just slot in, and then that charges it up separate to the camera, or you can just charge them with the camera. Okay, I'm not going into how it works. There's loads and loads and loads of videos, startup videos, that are a lot more advanced than I am. So yeah, so two batteries, 2 mounts, tripod, which I think is excellent. All in all, very, very, very pleased. So obviously we'll be doing some videos with it, so we'll try those. So look out for those on the channel. I know this is nothing compared to a lot of the channels, but at the moment we're on 190 subscribers. So if you like what you're seeing, we have recently changed the name to Midlife Crisis, because pretty much everything I'm doing is what you'd be doing in midlife crisis, I guess. So if you are enjoying it, please subscribe, hit the bell, future videos. Hopefully we're going to do a little bit of other content. The GSXR is not doing so well for some reason, whereas the VFR did very well. So yeah, there'll be some more content, some rides out and more things like this. Right, so GoPro done. So Purple Panda microphone. We've had to buy this attachment so you can plug the microphone into the GoPro, and it's from GoPro, and it just allows you to set the microphone, to plug the microphone in. So what do we get in here? We get some cables, so different fittings, I guess, like you did before. So there's that type to go into that type of fitting, and you can tell I'm dead technical, can't you? And then there's that type of fitting, but not one for the GoPro, so we had to buy that. And then, oh, that's nice. Whoa, it's got a little clip on it, just there. Nice little furry top. And just a stereo mini jack on the end of it. So that's pretty much it for today. Don't want to go too deep into everything, so we'll find out what it's all about and how good they are and everything. I've had some issues with my Hero 7, one battery life, and which the Hero 10 batteries are bigger. I'm hoping that the software doesn't use that up quicker. Excuse me, but we'll let you know about that. And the microphones I've been using, to be honest with you, have been probably very cheap and cheerful, and yeah, there've been a lot of wind noise and everything through that, so we'll see how they go. We've also got some updates on the bike. We've got an RNG crash bung set, which is the engine casing, the crash bungs as front and back. We've got a new screen on the bike as well, so we'll have a quick flip through that. And so they're just a couple of updates on the bike, and that's it for now. So thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, ride safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.